What's up, everybody? Mentamim here, and let me tell you, if you're not absolutely crushing it on Instagram in 2023, you're leaving serious money on the table. Welcome to our guide on mastering Instagram marketing. We're diving deep, getting our hands dirty, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to turn your Instagram profile into a lead-generating, brand-building machine. Today, we'll cover 3 essential steps to boost your Instagram presence. We're talking about optimizing your profile from the ground up, crafting content that stops thumbs, and hacking the algorithm to reach more people than ever before. First things first, your profile is your first impression, your digital storefront. If it's not screaming value, you're already losing the game. That means a killer bio that tells people exactly what you do and why they should give a damn. Think about it, you have like 3 seconds to grab someone's attention. Make it count. High-quality profile picture, people. I don't care if you're a personal brand or a Fortune 500 company, blurry, pixelated images scream amateur hour. Next up, your content needs to be on point. Listen, nobody's coming to your page to be bored. Give them value, give them entertainment, give them a reason to hit that follow button. All right, you've got your profile looking fly. Now let's talk about content. Consistency is key, my friends. You can't just post once a month and expect the algorithm gods to bless your feed. Show up consistently, engage with your audience, and watch the magic happen. Next up, we got to talk about the algorithm. This thing is a beast, but luckily we can tame it. The name of the game is engagement. The more likes, comments, shares you get, the more Instagram rewards you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. We're talking carousels, reels, stories, long-form captions. Find what resonates with your audience and double down on it. Chapter 3, ignite your growth and dominate the Explore page. Listen, organic reach is amazing, but sometimes you got to give it a little push. I'm talking about influencer marketing, baby. Find influencers in your niche who resonate with your brand and collaborate. Run contests and giveaways. This is huge for engagement and attracting new eyeballs to your page. But remember, the key here is authenticity. Partner with influencers who genuinely align with your brand. Don't just chase followers, chase the right followers. And last but not least, track your results. Instagram Analytics is your best friend. See what's working, see what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. There you have it, folks, your roadmap to Instagram domination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media marketing. We drop fire content every single week to help you win in the digital world. Follow us on Instagram for daily updates and exclusive content. We're talking behind-the-scenes action, Q&A sessions, and more. Now go out there, execute, and I'll see you at the top.